with How to Train Your Dragons 2, Hiccup versus Drago. This is really exciting. I really want to open it right now. It looks like this. And here are the dragons right here. Comes with lots of stuff. So let's get to open it. Here it is. I have to take it out. We're starting with Hiccup. Okay, so his arms, his legs can bend, and I think he can ride on the dragon. I think, oh yeah, and there's a hole to ride on the dragon. You just have to. See, Barf and Belch. Just have to, can't get the leg hole on the dragon. Okay, got it. And yeah. And you could drive. You could, And here is his weapons. His weapon. Here is his half fire, half stink sword. But it only shows the fire, of course. And here is his metal leg. Doesn't do anything, but yeah. And moving on. And he's changed a little bit. I don't know how to hold this, but here's Drago. I think it goes. Here is Drago. He is mean and he has a hole to, oh, it's right here, all the way right here. I don't think he could fit on. He has to get on like this. I don't know how to get him on a dragon. It's hard. You have to do there's the holes right here, but I think this can work. Yeah, he can't get on a dragon. He's too big. But here is his stick. I don't know what it's. Wow, I don't know what it is. He spoiler. How does
Spoiler
alert